Question 1. Who was the first murderer in the Bible? Answer C. Cain. Question 2. Who was the first man? Answer B. Adam. Question 3. Where was Jesus born? Answer C. Bethlehem. Question 4. Who was Jesus' earthly father? Answer B. Joseph. Question 5. Who walked on water? Answer C. Peter. Question 6. Who built the ark? Drop your answer in the comment box.